In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to participate in the Binance $75 USDT campaign, specifically through the Binance Crypto Box Red Packet exclusive. If you're eager to explore the exciting opportunities offered by this campaign, you're in the right place. First, it is crucial to ensure that your Binance account is identity verified. Only those with a KYC level 1 or higher are eligible to partake in this promotion. This verification process is put in place to secure your account and confirm your identity, so if you haven't completed it yet, please take a moment to do so before we proceed. Once you've verified your account, the next step is to log in to your Binance account. Now, head over to the More section, which can be easily found on the Binance app or website. In this section, you'll need to search for Red Packet to locate the specific campaign we'll be talking about today. This Red Packet feature is where you'll find various promotions, including our target, the $75 USDT campaign. After you have located the Red Packet section, you'll want to tap on the Receive option. It's a straightforward step, but a crucial one, as this is where you start the process of claiming your reward. Once you've done that, you'll need to enter the $75 USDT code. It's important to be meticulous here, as this code is case sensitive. A single typographical error might void your claim, so double check to ensure accuracy before you hit submit. Moving on, after you've carefully entered the code, submit your entry. Once your entry is validated, you'll be pleased to know that the crypto reward will be instantly credited to your Binance account. This instantaneous transfer is one of the many conveniences Binance offers its users, making the entire process smooth and efficient. The final step is to verify where your reward has been deposited. Typically, Binance deposits rewards into either the funding wallet or the spot wallet. It's a good practice to check both wallets to locate your newly acquired funds. Depending on your transaction preferences, you might want to transfer these funds to your preferred wallet for ease of access or future transactions. And there you have it, a seamless guide to claiming your reward in the Binance $75 USDT campaign through the Crypto Box Red Packet. Remember, participating in such campaigns not only offers you rewards, but also enhances your understanding of the dynamic world of cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Binance's customer support is always available to help you. Thank you for tuning in, and happy trading.